Across Ohio, school districts are preparing students for success. Students are gaining real-world skills in fields like healthcare, engineering, advanced manufacturing, information technology, and more. Career readiness connects learning directly to the workplace, giving students hands-on experiences for their futures. Ohio schools are finding innovative ways to match students' interests with local businesses and industries to ensure every student is ready for the world that awaits. Western Local Schools is a close-knit district in Pike County, creating practical experiences for students that prepare them for tomorrow.
Well, we are an unincorporated village, and so we're trying to simulate those things that our kids haven't been exposed to growing up. Westernville is essentially a program where we have a focus on career readiness for our kids. So we have started a series of micro businesses. Some of them are creating a system where they actually can work a paying job through school, and whenever they graduate, they'll be able to plug into that system and not only survive, but be successful. We asked our kids, what do you wish that you had? One thing they said was a place to buy clothes. So we created West LA Designs, which is primarily right now student-run screen print shop. So we have started West LA Grill, which is responsible for running all of our concessions for all of our ball games. We have West LA Media, which is our own YouTube channel. We have West LA Automotive, West LA Technology, which is a website building company. We have West LA Fitness. There's West LA Heritage Foundation, which is responsible for maintaining the cultural history of our school district. Those are the ones that we are actively working on that are all moving.
Richwood, Ohio, a small city in Union County and the home of North Union Local Schools. The strategy here is built on a solid foundation, meaning every student gets a chance to choose their next move with confidence.
So our district spans around 160 square miles. We are a very rural district and a very proud district. I think you'd find that the community is the school and the school is the community. Our career pathway program kind of came, its inception happened about 5 years ago. There was a need for students to have more than just a 4-year, college pathway. It was important to look in the fields of business and growing economic development in Ohio and really around the nation and kind of zero in on what kind of career fields that we could offer here at North Union. We're really excited about really the vertical alignment of our CTE programming here. Recently, within the past 2 years, we have started an ag program in the middle school. And if you look around the state and really the nation, you don't see a whole lot of that. So we're very proud of what's happening there, particularly the enrollment numbers. The other piece that we have too, and we have kind of pre-engineering type classes that are happening up at the middle school too. So we're working really heavy on getting those vertically aligned so that the interest is sparked at the middle school, and then we're able to continue that through our career pathway system down here at the high school. A student can come out of here with an idea of where they want to be, what they want to do, and the credentialing that can put them ahead of even adults entering the work field, to be quite honest. And that's another piece that we're continuing to look at and try to create those partnerships with industries, because we want them to know, hey, we want to work with you. We want to help create the next workers for you that come out qualified, ready to go.
In Northeast Ohio, Mentor Public Schools is creating future-ready pathways and programs within the community to equip students for what's next.
At Mentor Schools, we really have been doing this now for several years of really leaning into the senior-only industry-recognized credential programs. And what that's allowed us to do is allowed us to expand the number of students that are participating in career tech education and allowing them a variety of different options. what happened to us is we started expanding and we kept seeing success with students. So we added our various career academies this current school year. And that was the idea where we actually looked to reimagine what electives looked like at Mentor High School. So what we did is we imagined 1 year, 1 credit, 1 period, senior-only programs. And what those allow is it allows students, again, the opportunity to begin exploring careers, but also earning industry-recognized credentials. In order to create a career academy, there's 3 things that you have to make sure exist. One is you got to make sure that there's a need in the community. And then the second part after that is, do we as a school district have the infrastructure, have the ability to provide that training? But then equally as important as those 2 parts, if not more important, is there a demand from the students for it? Because if there's a demand for a program, we have the ability to do it, but nobody signs up, then we're in a tough spot there. You know, one of the things that kind of happens when people are looking at expanding career pathways, or some of the fears you'll get is, where are less kids going to be taking honors? Are less kids going to be taking CCP? Are less kids going to be taking advanced placement? And what we've seen at Mentor is that when we actually provide more opportunities, our students are rising to those opportunities to meet them. We have hit record numbers in not only College Credit Plus, but also career technical education and also advanced placement participation. So all 3 of those have seen record numbers. And so again, and what's nice about this is many of those students actually participate in a variety of those.
By aligning education with the needs of Ohio's communities and industries, career readiness programs ensure students are learning today to prepare for tomorrow. Whether they choose to enter the workforce, pursue post-secondary education, enlist in the military, or continue specialized training, students leave these programs with a strong foundation and a clear path forward. Life after school can take many forms, and schools are positioned to equip students with the real-world knowledge, skills, and experiences they need to be successful.
Our goal is for every kid to walk out here ready, not necessarily locked into their career, but ready to face the world and to be able to work anywhere, to work with anybody. I want those businesses coming here first. If they find a good source, they're going to keep on coming back to the well.
You know, programming such as CTE and creating pathways for our students gives them an avenue, gives them a sense of hope. It can be a reality for students from North Union Local School District. And it has become a reality for many of our students moving forward, and that's exciting.
But one of the more important things is, why are we doing this? And that's the outcomes. And for us, one of the numbers we look at is our North Star, which is 99%. That is the percentage of students who participate in a career technical education program who within 6 months of graduation are either employed, enrolled, or enlisted in the military. So that's why we're honing in on these career pathways, to see students, taking a liking to these classes, but then actually running with them and going to that next level.
Want to learn more about education stories in Ohio? Head to education.ohio.gov for more in-depth information about this topic and many others.